as the ultimate manifestation of Paramashiva's Tripurantaka Murti, Vrishabharuda Murti, Vrishabhantika Murti. I bless you all with Paramadvaita. I'll make you enlightened. Now, I'll initiate all of you into the third eye. You will directly experience Maha Kailasa. Listen. Sit sincerely. Decide to see through your three eyes into my three eyes. You will have your third eye awakened. You will have darshan of Maha Kailasa. You will experience power over the silicon, and you will have the awakening of leadership consciousness. Om, Om, Om. You can post whatever you are seeing. I'll guide you deeper and deeper. Make sure you experience Maha Kailas. Om, Om, Om.